The question is 9 divided by 1/3 times 1/3. Let's rewrite it as 9 divided by 1 by 3 times 1 by 3. Now, if we solve further, we'll check from left to right. First priority is division, so we'll do the division first. Second priority is only multiplication. Here, we'll replace the division with multiplication, and by inverting 1 by 3, it becomes 3 by 1. Multiply by 1 by 3. 3 cancels out with 3, right? 9, India, Andhra Pradesh. Wrong method. First of all, let's rewrite the question. 9 divided by 1 divided by 3 times 1/3. When we solve it, we'll replace the division with multiplication and invert it. 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1 times 1 by 3. 3 cancels out with 3, so 9 times 1. 9 times 1 is equal to 9. This is the